Yes, now you can use same WhatsApp account on multiple phones. To be exact, you can use same account on 4 devices. And if you want to know how, watch this video completely. First, to whichever phone you want to add a WhatsApp account, let's call that a secondary device. In secondary device, uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall or download it again in the Play Store. Once completed, open WhatsApp. Now click on the 3 dots on right corner, and now select Link into existing account. A barcode will pop. Now the account which you want to use in your device, let's call it primary device. Open WhatsApp in primary device and click on 3 dots on the right side and select Link Devices. And now click on Link Device and scan the barcode on the secondary device. That's all. Now enjoy and rest in peace to all the relationships in advance. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.